Hello. In this quick video I want to show you how to get SMS code when you register in the Oldubil application. For example, you don't see your country in this list or you don't receive the SMS code on your number. There are a lot of services where you can get a phone number for SMS. But I found this service that really can receive SMS from Oldubil. It's 5sim.net. I think it's Russian website because all prices represent in Russian rubles. Register here or just use your Gmail to log in. Then you have to add money to this service. You can use credit card, crypto, or other payment systems. I use Litecoin to add money. I add 10 rubles, it's enough to get one SMS. After I sent my LTC from Binance, I got these money on my account. I select region, Russia, because it's the cheapest one to receive SMS on this website. Then scroll down and find, Other. Click, Buy. And now you have one number. Then go to Oldubil, select here, Russia. Enter the number you just purchased. And as you can see I received the SMS from Oldubil. And now you can complete the registration. Just enter some password. Okay, now I have the Oldubil account and can use it. But there is one very important thing, you can't get access to this number anymore, so don't delete this app from your device. If you lose access to this account, you have to make another one using the same service. Thanks for watching.